It's time
to fire this thing up.
Hit it. I told you that the fuel tank, the original one from the Chris Craft, was Swiss cheesed up, TJ. And I'm telling you, that thing was destroyed. It wasn't holding any gas. Hey, well, good deal, you made it. Hi, I'm John Graviskis, and this is TJ Kiefer from TNT Custom Boat Works in Fort Pierce. And TJ is becoming a regular on ShipShape TV. You see, he is an aluminum fuel tank kind of guru. This is the fourth tank that you've created for us. You made the one for our 20-foot Aqua Sport project boat. The project boat that we're working with charity, the I'm Logan Foundation, the Taco Marine project boat, it's a 26-foot Pursuit. You built twin tanks for that. You powder coated it, which is amazing. This one is a cash deal, okay? This is something that we had to invest in. The boat is actually one of my guys, Mike Strickland's craft. And we discovered that the fuel tank was leaking. We showed people how to dissolve the foam with that B2000 from Superior Chemical. That was amazing. But when we got the foam out, we discovered that the stringers were starting to go. Okay, we got into a can of worms. And today on the program, we're gonna show you how to replace the stringers to where the hull doesn't twist. It's really cool. I'm noticing, TJ, that on the tank, you know, the dimensions are exactly the same as the original fuel tank. Why is that so critical, and why do you recommend when customers come and ask you to build a replacement fuel tank, why do you try to insist on going with the same gallon capacity and size and all that?
Well, we want to keep the tank the same size because of the original engineering that went into this tank. You know, with today's market and engines and the efficiency, there's no reason why people need to put more fuel in a boat. So we like to keep it the same size, if at all possible, in order to keep the running and performance of the boat the same as what it was designed for.
Gasoline weighs like 8 pounds a gallon. If you start increasing your gas capacity, that's going to change the center of gravity from the engineering standpoint on how the whole boat was first kind of made to ride in the water. And you might get into a situation to where the boat could lurch or it, you know, it's going to be weird. I noticed a difference though between the original tank and this one. You welded on 4 tabs. What are those for?
Those 4 tabs are to hold this tank in place when it's being foamed in. It eliminates any possibility of the tank getting pushed up out of the hole as the foam expands.
I want to protect this aluminum from corroding, okay, in the future. And I was turned on to this product right over here. This is called Interprotect 2000E. Do you have any advice on how to get that to bond to this relatively shiny aluminum surface a little bit better?
They would recommend, and what I would recommend, is to first treat the tank with an acid solution in order to dissolve all the oils out of the materials. Sand this surface with a DA and 80 grit sandpaper.
Right.
And then, so you can get maximum adhesion to this tank, and that is a great product to use for this application.
Okay, well, not only are we going to show you how to treat the tank, but we're going to foam it in today. We're going to cover the stringers. We're going to show you a very unique approach at supporting the new deck. Remember, the opening needed to be opened up to get the original fuel tank out. Okay, the deck had to be cut. We're going to show you how to support it back in today on the program. It's going to be amazing, but first, we need to hear from all of the wonderful companies in the marine industry who sponsor ShipShape TV. So let's listen up and give them kudos.
ShipShape TV, where boat improvement lives, is made possible by the entire collection of beautiful Sunbrella fabrics. Sunbrella, the only fabric to offer both design and performance above and below deck. By Boat Outfitters, your source for replacement hardware, custom king starboard doors, tackle centers, and more. Need it? They'll build it. Visit BoatOutfitters.com to update or customize your boat today. And finally, made possible by Yamaha. Reliability starts here.